Hey guys, today I have the birthday box, and this is from Look Fantastic. It's their beauty box. This is a $19 a month subscription box. They do send me this for review purpose, and the first thing in here is their little booklet. Their little booklet is, you know, it's stacked. Like, it gives you information, like super helpful information about the products, how to use them, new information. It's like a nice little booklet. So do definitely go through this if you're subscribed. So this is what the box looks like. It has the little tissue paper with their little logo, and I'm gonna tear into this sucker. Ooh, I already see something that I like. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's in the box. So the first thing that I see here is a Luxie brush, and I love Luxie brushes. They are amazing, just absolutely beautiful handles. They have these baby pink handles with all their brushes. I own so many of them, it's not even funny. Some I have gotten from subscription boxes, and others that I have literally just bought their sets because I love their brushes so much. So this is the large shader brush. This definitely would be something for me to apply like my primer, because it's a little bit too big for my eye shape itself. But if you had a big lid space, I could definitely see you using this. This is worth 15 pounds. I don't know why mine always comes in pounds, but this is available for like the UK, I think, and then also for the US. So if you get the one with from the US, it will definitely have the amount here. So in dollars. So I love Luxie brushes. They're super affordable, really nice quality. If you're looking for a good brush set, I would definitely check out Luxie brushes. They are one of my top. Next thing in here is this little Brushworks Jade Roller. This is worth $9.99 pounds. It's supposed to, you're supposed to use them for moisturizers, serums, for your face mask. I do have a few of these rollers. I really enjoy using this kind of thing. I just feel like it just kind of helps the circulation in your blood. Sometimes I have to fight my little son for them because he thinks it's the most hilarious thing to like go around, but you just like roll your serum in, and it just really feels really nice and cooling for the most part, and it just helps with the circulation in your face as well. So really good benefits to using these kinds of rollers. Next thing in here is, let's see, this is the Spa Pink Hair and Scalp Mud. So it's supposed to condition and help your hair. I am all about my hair, so skincare and hair care is very essential. So basically it's supposed to promote stronger, healthy looking hair, and this is worth $5.10. And oh, okay, I squirted some up. And it has a nice like minty smell to it. So we'll definitely be trying this out on my hair and doing a mud treatment with this Spa. So the next product in here is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I know that they are a very high-end skincare brand, so this is really nice. Let's see how much this is worth. This is only half a fluid ounce, and it is 30 pounds just for this little guy right here. So this is an anti-wrinkle day cream. We shall see. It's supposed to hydrate and like help with skin firmness. So yeah, but Elemis has been known, like it's becoming very popular as far as like skincare goes. Next thing that I see in here is this, oh, it's like a little pop socket, and it says Look Fantastic Beauty Box. That's super cute, like if you're into the pop sockets. And then the next thing that I see in here is the Illamasqua Beyond Powder Highlighter. Wow, that is a tiny little highlighter, but that's super cute. This is worth 8 pounds, and this is in the shade Beyond Powder. So let's just take a look at this little guy and see what it looks like. I might just add this into, yeah, I think I'm gonna add this into my little giveaway for you guys, so I'm not gonna touch it. It's a beautiful gold highlight. I am doing a giveaway on my Instagram with a lot of products because I do have an excess amount of products. Sometimes when I get stuff in boxes or things like that, I like to give back to you guys. So I think that this would be cute to add to the giveaway. And I think I might add this Elemis too. I have a few palettes that I'm gonna add into it. So yeah, look out for that. And then the next thing in here is the Diego Dalla Palma number 80 matte lip pencil. Ooh, this is just a beautiful shade. This is definitely something I'm gonna keep. So this is worth I want to say £9.32, and it is an antique peak shade. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at how gorgeous that shade is. This is like right up my alley. Kind of very similar to like MAC Soar, just gorgeous. It doesn't have any kind of smell, thankfully. Really, really beautiful shade. This is definitely something that I would use a lot. So that is it for the Look Fantastic box. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you like this box? These are kind of more like a mixture between mini products and full-size products. I really like the brush and the lip liner the most. And like I said, I'm going to be going ahead and adding some of these products in for a giveaway as well for you guys. I just don't want to keep hoarding products, to be honest with you guys, and I love giving back to you guys. I feel like this highlighter would be absolutely gorgeous, so I'm excited for one of you guys to win it in my little Instagram giveaway. Let me know what your thoughts are down below for the box. I'd love to hear back from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that little red button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.